Hello, this is the DJ Robot, and yes, I'm playing Ratchet and Clank Collection, Ratchet and Clank game, part 6, if I remember correctly. I'm checking the weapon.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I better prepare for the next level, so, you know.
That's a real beauty. That's a real beauty.
It is. Speaking of, nice, it is, that guy, well, we haven't seen him all the games. He's the first appearance in the Ratchet and Clank, so too bad, what kind of alien is he? An alien or something? I don't know. Yep. Yeah, I just forgot to mention that, well, if you use the bomb slug, it does, destroy the tank. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back, and, yeah, I think I'm buying something.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Yep, I purchased. I like that music. It goes this and you know. Yeah, I thought I'll be safe, but I was too close. Too close. That's the weapon I used. I kinda missed that weapon. But it got replaced by some other weapon, so that will be okay. You know, like a pistol gun, which is nice, but it's looking like a machine gun they use. I know I have suck cannon, cannon, you know, sucking, you know, like a tornado thing. It'll be difficult to, well, sometimes I forget. Right? Oh, look at them. See how they can go. Wow. And look like the... I think it's a robot or animal, but they won. Alright. Take taxi. Take that to the inside, huh? Now, maybe I should wait and see how it goes. Did they kill them all? Huh, that was fast. The army boy that was the creature called got beaten by the soldier. I mean, that was bad. Yep, sometimes it's easier, if you're not too close.
Rhino for your robot. Trade you.
Well, okay.
Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blarg.
Stolen? Look, trash can. Did I say's anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
Is that possible? He stole it from the Blarg? Oh, that's so powerful then. Let's see why the Blarg, the soldier need that. Yeah, the Blarg need that Rhino weapon. It is from Gabatron. Alright, move on. Yeah, it's like you need more money, which is that stuff. But in the chain ring of Ratchet and Clank rebooting, what they did, instead of buying it, you had to collect the hollow car. I think, but you know. Yeah, here's some bolts. Alright, I better make sure to this door. They got me. But let's see if they can survive by these guys. Yep, looks like they won again. Everybody. Alright, playing all good. Sorry, I was trying to check in something. See how they do that gun. Blaster. So that's what they call. Oh, nice, like pistol. You know how they do the move. How Ratchet do the move. Right, so yeah, you're gonna have to face the enemy if you want to get past it. Even though they can't, but that was a close one. That was close. Right, Yeah, I was getting a nano. Sorry, this is why I played before, even though I didn't have my time to. They got me. Yep, they were got me. No, I mean, sorry, that wasn't what I meant. Now, it's difficult for me to see, all the lasers are closed in. You have all the way to the other side, and it's cold, but I think it would be easy to go there. Well, not that. Yeah, that button's there, it broke. So you have to get to the other side by, get to the top. Which is gonna be difficult because the tank might get in my way. I already have the net. Nope, that's not gonna work. But that one, instead of a charging this, you could do it. And boom. Yep. Alright. Oh. No, I can't do that again. Now this might be tricky. Voila! Alright, time to get a move on. I think I was missing a bolt. Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to test it out to see if it can hurt me. So it didn't take my health. I think we're almost there. Sorry, I almost there. I shouldn't have said we. W-E. There's a different word. Now I know I have to get to the, first I need to collect the bolts, then we'll get started the race. Pretty sure there will be a cutscene soon. Yep, easier when using the bomb glove.
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quirk's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
A Platinum Zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
That's really well. There's more. I mean, there's more. Sorry. It wasn't unusual when I played. When I was playing Clank, which I haven't uploaded yet, but not yet until. Anyway, yeah, it was different. You'll see. I'm gonna have to start the race. Yeah, they all look like a Skid McMark, but in the reboot, there wasn't. So there's a difference. amazing like this? Look at that. Jump. Well, yes. I missed it. Oh, that was a close one. That was close. Yeah, I'm in the second place. I didn't know that. I thought I was in the first. Now I'm in the first place. This guy better not catching up for me.
Hi folks, Captain Quark here. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers,
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look, that's us.
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to send your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you and have a Quark-tastic day.
Well, I was expecting for the prize, like the Pulse. I know that's a different than the Ratchet and Clank reboot. Good thing that. Now, locate Quark. Now the next mission will be over to the other side. Kinda missed the regular slingshot, but now it's different. So nothing to that, just use some kind of laser thing. Okay, you knew when this is coming. Like, how do I get out and press the button? Yep. Run, gotta run. Running. I was running. Well, you know. This one gets so tough, even though I played this before, and I think I lost 2 times. Ah, they got me. Yeah, I wouldn't go faster, but. Ooh, that was a close one. I made it. Now, let's see what's up to the top. Well, actually, we already know. I'm just saying, but I shouldn't say that. We all know what. Yep, we know what's inside. But you have to pay.
Hey, press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it.
But sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in, you snap a picture of the captain in his underpants, then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million bolts.
You've got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 bolts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance.
Yeah, pretty much I feel sorry for this guy. Letting people in and picking him. And, well, you know.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Captain Quark?
What's that?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the hub.
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this. What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraptions? Can you quickly Oh! Just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary. Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
How did Captain Quark know? I mean, really. You know, well, we all know, I'm just saying. You're all thinking that he might be a hero. Well, he wasn't known anything, but we all know how King is. But even though if I say something and you wanted to prove to see it, well, you'll see it in the next level. Yeah. Speaking of which, Quark, the guy I mentioned about the underpants. Can you believe that?
I got some great bargains.
Now, I'm not sure I'll need the weapon in the next level, but let's see how it goes. Quark HQ, which means a headquarter. So, alright. Well, not yet, but... Well, sorry, I forget what up. So yeah, we're heading to the next level. Yeah. Right, that's all for today. If you liked it, leave a comment below. And, yeah, that's all for today. Before I go, that planets. And, yeah, have to be careful with that. Bye!